If you still think you need your own product, a huge audience, or paid ads to start making money online in 2026, that belief is already outdated. What's happening now is that ordinary beginners are using AI to shortcut the hardest parts of online business, content, systems, and setup, and they're doing it with far less friction than ever before.
And no, we're not talking about some hypey push one button and get rich fantasy. We're talking about a real path that helps you launch faster, create smarter, and monetize skills and tools you can start using right away. In this video, we're going to show you why the biggest opportunity right now is not just affiliate marketing. It's organic, AI-powered affiliate business building.
Hey everyone, we're Katie and Ellie. We help people build online income in a way that feels simpler, more strategic, and more realistic for beginners who want freedom without the chaos.
And today, we want to show you how AI can help you build momentum, even if you're starting with limited time, limited confidence, or zero tech background. The old make money online model told people to pick a niche, create a product, build funnels, write emails, design graphics, film content, and somehow stay consistent while working a full-time job. And that's exactly why so many people stay stuck. The opportunity is real, but the process feels way too heavy for beginners.
What AI changes is not the need for effort. It changes the speed, simplicity, and support behind the effort. Instead of starting from a blank screen every day, you can start from prompts, templates, systems, and tools that remove the bottlenecks.
That's why this trend matters so much in 2026. Beginners are no longer asking, "Can I do this?" They're asking, "What system gets me moving fastest?"
Now let's define what we mean by an organic AI-powered affiliate business. It means you're building attention and income without depending on paid ads as your first move. You create useful content, connect that content to an offer, capture leads, and let automation and follow-up do the heavy lifting.
And with AI, you can speed up almost every part of that process. Brainstorming, script writing, image creation, video ideas, captions, emails, and even digital product positioning. That doesn't eliminate strategy. It simply gives beginners a much easier way to execute the strategy. But here's where people mess this up. They hear AI and assume the tool itself is the business. So they jump from app to app, collect prompts, try random side hustles, and never build an actual income path.
AI is not the business. AI is the accelerator. The business still needs an offer, a message, a workflow, and a monetization plan. That's why the winners in 2026 won't be the people using the most tools. They'll be the people using the right tools inside the right system.
This is exactly why we wanted to feature AI Freedom Launchpad in this video, because it doesn't just throw a bunch of AI ideas at you. It gives you a practical, beginner-friendly launchpad for using AI to grow, monetize, and automate an online business.
Inside it, you're not just learning theory. You're seeing how to use AI for content creation, digital leverage, cloning your workflow, and building faster with less overwhelm. That means less time trying to figure out what to do and more time actually building. One thing that makes this offer especially powerful is that it connects skill building with monetization. You're not just learning how to use ChatGPT or create AI images for fun. You're learning how those skills plug into real business activities that can generate income.
There's training around custom GPT agents, AI clones, AI image creation, AI video creation, and even fast ways to monetize with AI. So instead of asking, what can AI do? The better question becomes, how can I turn AI into leverage for my business? And if you're someone who has been curious about digital products, courses, or AI tools, this fits naturally inside our Freedom Franchise blueprint. Because your first step is not to memorize every business model on the internet. It's to enter a guided ecosystem where you can choose the path that fits you best.
For this video, we're giving AI Freedom Launchpad a direct spotlight because so many beginners are asking how to use AI in a way that actually leads somewhere. So if that's your lane, you'll be able to explore the free training or demo first, then continue through the rest of the blueprint for additional options and bonuses. This is especially powerful for exhausted corporate professionals, VAs, people with ADHD, and retirees who want a simpler online path without having to become full-time content machines. If you've been overwhelmed by all the conflicting advice online, AI can reduce the workload, but only if you have a clear roadmap.
That's why we like this offer. It brings together speed, simplicity, and monetization in a way that feels more realistic for real people with real schedules. You do not need to do everything manually anymore. And you definitely do not need to wait until you feel perfectly ready. The real opportunity in 2026 is not just making money online, it's building digital leverage. When one idea can become a script, a post, an email, a thumbnail concept, a short form clip, and a lead magnet with the help of AI, your time starts working differently.
That's how beginners start acting like operators instead of dabblers. They stop consuming endlessly and start building assets that compound. And when you pair that with the right offer path, you create momentum instead of confusion. So if you want to see how AI Freedom Launchpad works and how beginners are using AI to launch faster without creating everything from scratch, check out the first link around this video.
We've set up a free training or demo path for you, and from there, you can continue through our Freedom Franchise Blueprint and explore the next best steps for your business.
If you're ready for a simpler, smarter way to build online income in 2026, start there. We'll see you inside.